Mom Lily's lesson on planting trees. Mom Lily, smiling. Hey, Emma and Tom, let's go outside and take a walk in our garden. I want to show you something special. Emma and Tom, excitedly. Yay, let's go, Mom. Mom Lily, look at all the beautiful plants and trees in our garden. Do you know why trees are so important? Emma, thinking. They give us shade and look nice. Tom, nodding. And we can climb them too. Mom Lily, laughing. That's right, but there's more to it. Trees help clean the air by taking in carbon dioxide and giving us oxygen to breathe. Emma and Tom, surprised. Wow, that's amazing. Mum Lily, yes, and trees also provide homes for many animals like birds and squirrels. They help keep our planet healthy. Mom Lily, today we're going to plant a new tree in our garden. Planting trees is one of the best ways to take care of the earth. Emma, that sounds fun. How do we do it? Mom Lily, first, we dig a hole for the sapling. Then, we'll place the sapling in the hole and fill it with soil. Finally, we'll water it to help it grow. Mom Lily, great job, everyone. Now, we need to take care of the tree as it grows. That means watering it regularly and making sure it gets enough sunlight. Emma, we'll take good care of it, Mum. Tom, yeah, we want it to grow big and strong. Mum Lily, that's the spirit. Planting trees is a wonderful way to help the environment and make our world a better place. Mom Lily, remember, planting trees is just one way we can help take care of our planet. We can also recycle, use less energy, and be kind to nature. Emma and Tom, enthusiastically, we promise to do our part, Mom. Mom Lily, I'm so proud of you both. Together, we can make a big difference. Goodbye. I'm glad you enjoyed the story. See you next time for more storytelling adventures.